adventure.
Good morning. It's May 20th.
Yes, it is.
I want to come in and check on the progress. I know you've been working very hard.
Well,
and you've been keeping things pretty neat, too.
I haven't been really working that hard. It's just been a struggle.
So that's working hard, sweetheart.
I guess so.
Struggle is hard work.
Between the yellow flies.
I know. They're so evil, too. So it's really been about the fridge, right? Let's get down here and take a look. I'm getting too old for this, Cory.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, just getting everything aligned, getting this threaded through here, all the way down, anchored in to where the...
Wow, it doesn't move at all. Wow.
So
awesome job.
I still might put a few little wood spacers, screw them in here just so there's a little something else other than just the 5/16 threaded
Makes
posts.
sense.
But this is essentially what it was standing on before.
Right.
So that was the foot, even if you extended it out. So those anchor down into here, and then I screwed it in.
Drilling through those metal brackets was tough.
Well, yeah, it was just because I had a dull bit.
Oh, okay.
But then trying to get the other screw angled in and then dropped back down into the hole, and I used the propeller anchor nuts on the back side to where it's all
nice.
locked in.
So it's locked.
And the angle bracket up here to hold the back of this down just for any additional jump, because it's still going to move a little bit down the road, especially from up
at the top.
at the
Yeah.
top. So hopefully it's just a little bit.
Yeah,
and that way we haven't compromised the shell in any way and haven't punctured any
wiring
or
good
any
job.
electric or anything there.
Good job.
I think the doors, yeah, all that still clears. And I didn't mess up the doors to where they fall off the hinges now.
Good job. And let me get a little bit of these runners that you did that were such, I think those were a bigger battle than the refrigerator was.
It's always an adventure.
Always. That's it for this Lake Calamita update. We're so glad you hung out with us. If you enjoy unique projects like this, you need to explore the rest of our channel. We're not just about flipping this RV. We're all about adventure, creativity, incredible food, and turning trash to treasure. We've got videos on our travels all over the world, our deep love for animal conservation, and fun DIY projects that cover everything from house flipping, RV renovation, to furniture flipping. We even have a bunch of videos showcasing our personal artwork. And for those who love a good theme, you'll find our passion for cooking, party planning, and theming in videos of themed dinners and cake decorating. I even FaceTime cook with my 88-year-old dad once a month. If you've got a curious brain, our channel is definitely the place for you. Hit the subscribe button, explore our travel and renovation playlist, and we'll catch you on our next adventure.